The ASUS TUF A16 gaming laptop is built for those who need powerful performance and immersive visuals in one sleek package. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, it can reach up to 4.75 GHz, delivering fast and reliable processing for gaming and content creation. It's coupled with an AMD Radeon RX 7700S GPU that delivers graphics performance comparable to the RTX 4060, ensuring you can play even the most demanding games smoothly. This laptop features a 16-inch Full HD display with a 165Hz refresh rate, providing an ultra-smooth and vivid visual experience. The adaptive sync feature minimizes screen tearing, offering you an edge in fast-paced games. Whether you're playing your favorite titles or creating content, this display is built to impress. For audio, the ASUS TUF A16 provides crystal clear sound that immerses you in every gaming session, making it easy to hear footsteps, gunshots, and epic soundtracks. The 720p HD camera ensures you stay connected during video calls and streaming sessions, while the RGB backlit keyboard adds a stylish flair and functional visibility for night gaming. Connectivity is key, and the TUF A16 doesn't disappoint with a wide range of options. With two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, an HDMI 2.0B port, and an RJ45 LAN port, this laptop supports your gaming peripherals, content creation tools, and more. Running on Windows 11 Pro, this laptop is equipped with the latest features and security upgrades. Plus, it comes with a lifetime license for Microsoft Office 2024, making it a great tool for both work and play. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or getting work done, the ASUS TUF A16 is a reliable powerhouse.